pop, pop, pop. You see how crazy a difference it makes when you blend? Like, it already looks like I have bigger and higher boobs. This is crazy. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Natasha. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing a tutorial on how to contour your boobs to make them look extra big, extra plumpy. So if you wanna know how I did it, stay tuned and I'll walk you through it. Okay, so to contour the boobies, you're gonna need 3 products. You're gonna need a glow body oil, and I only have samples. These are from Sol de Janeiro. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's the Brazilian brand on Sephora, and it looks like super nice and tan and glowy. And I add it to my chest because I didn't put any foundation on my chest. I just put foundation on my face and my neck, so you could tell the difference. I'm a little bit paler, and you want to make sure that it's even, so I'm gonna add this nice glowy body oil before I start contouring. So I'll be doing the contour with the contour stick. This is the Fenty Beauty one, and then you're gonna need concealer because you're gonna need to brighten that up. It's almost like you're contouring your face, but you're contouring your boobies. So let's get started. This is a sample, so I'm gonna be real generous with it because I'm definitely gonna buy the bottle. I just haven't had a chance to do so, and I wanted to try it before buying it. And I tried it on my best friend first for her engagement photos, and it looked so pretty. And I was like, okay, I'm definitely getting this, and it smells really good. So I'm just gonna pour. I feel like that was a lot. And almost like lotion, just put it all over. So as you guys can see, I rubbed it all over my chest, and now it matches my foundation from the neck and the face, and it just gives you that nice glow. So I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit before I go ahead and contour. And when you contour, you wanna make sure you're using the shape that you already have for your boobs and what you wanna accentuate. So I want them to look a little bigger and a little higher. So I'm gonna be contouring right at this edge, and then the concealer is gonna go right underneath. So this is really simple. It's not super hard. It's like using the same technique that you use for your cheeks, but on your breast. And a lot of people do like to contour their collarbone as well. I already have a collarbone that sticks out, so I don't want to accentuate it anymore. I'm gonna leave the collarbones as it is, and I'm just gonna work on the breast area. So I also like, what I like to do is I like to go over with a brush. That way you don't see any hand marks. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so this is a brush that I usually use for my blush, and I'm just going to wash it after I'm done here. That way I can use it again for my blush, but we're just gonna use it on the chest. Now, like I said, I'm using Fenty Beauty, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start from the top and go all the way down. So I'm using the shape that I already have to accentuate the boob. So you see now they're both contoured, and now you want to blend that. And you want to blend it inwards. I'm just gonna blend. And with blending, you want to make sure that it doesn't look too crisp, but you also want to make sure that you don't blend it completely off. You know what I'm saying? So you want to go in there. This is super important. And just blend. So you see how crazy a difference it makes when you blend? Like, it already looks like I have bigger and higher boobs. This is crazy. We're gonna do the same thing for the other one. Blends, 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 blends. Wow. And in the middle, you can go a little bit like this, but the middle is gonna be used for highlighter. We're gonna highlight the middle. So now that we've contoured, you can go in and do a little more if you wanted to, but for me, I feel like that's more than enough. I don't wanna go too crazy and then overdo it, but I want it to just be a little more, a little higher and a little bigger, so I'm fine with that. Now we're gonna go in with the NARS concealer, and we're gonna go right here, like right next to where we contoured. We're just gonna highlight that part. So we're gonna highlight all the way down. So it's just an inner line following the contour line that we had just done. Okay, so now that we've highlighted, we're gonna do a little more blending. So you can blend that inwards, blends, blends, blend. Honestly, it's all about the blending because that's what's gonna make it look real natural and real smooth. You always wanna make sure you're blended. Wow, look at that, look at that. Okay, I'm getting real hype over here, and honestly, you guys just gotta stop me. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so I'll add a little more at the top just so I can accentuate that. Right here, right here. Just blend that. You can even bring that a little down. Blend. And I always like to blend in circular motions. It just does the job. Yes, yes, yes. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. What I like to do is I like to also go in with a bronzer over the line that I contoured just to give it a little pop, and then a little in the middle, and then we're gonna go with the highlighter. So I lied when I said it was just 3 products. It's actually 5 products. Okay. You always want to tap, and then just a little circular motion going in with that bronzer. Okay. And I know that I said I didn't want to touch my collarbones, but I'll just do slight, 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 slight. We're gonna use Hustler Baby from Fenty Beauty, and we're gonna add the highlight right in the middle. Right in the middle. And then just, you know, go over it around the boob, the boob shape, just a little bit. A little goes a long way. You can set this with powder, just like you would set your makeup. You don't have to. You can also set it with a setting spray. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Today I'm not gonna set it at all, but this is essentially it. This is contouring your boobs in a nutshell. It's super simple. You're just going with the outline of the shape that you already have and just accentuating that. You're making it look fuller and promiscuous, I guess. And this is really what it is. It's contour, concealer, highlighter, and bronzer. And you just made your boobs bigger. This is something that I've done before. I've done with my friends, and if you want to do it, you should try it and see how it looks. I usually do it with shirts like this, or if I'm wearing a strapless dress, anything that really shows a little bit of boobs and you want to get that extra oomph. I'm glad you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait for you guys to try it out. Send pictures. Don't send pictures, but comment and let me know how it goes. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.